The journey of the train. Like a memory, it returns once again. The sound of the train can be heard as it moves on the tracks at morning light. The tremors are felt on the earth endlessly as the whistling train moves into the night. The train is like an explorer moving into new lands. It moves throughout the night and into the next day. The weather changes as it continues on its merry way. At every station, the train stops and continues to the next day. Once it reaches its destination, the train is ready to move back to its origin, taking travelers once again. There is no rest for this train till it is too old to move. It will lie a wreck in the train yard with nothing to prove. The journey of a train reminds me of a memory that returns to visit us over and over again. The memories can be good, bad, happy, or sad. Yet, they are like stations and places we want to visit again.